Yes, hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna be talking about affiliate marketing tips for beginners. I'm gonna be also talking about this guide for beginners who especially want to start an affiliate marketing and also want to learn more skills or want to understand where they can get started from, what can they get started with, and what can they emphasize on when they are starting the affiliate marketing. I'll be talking about everything you need as beginner to understand and to know so that you can get equipped with all relevant details and other relevant stuff that can help you to get started with affiliate marketing or making money online doing affiliate marketing. So now when it comes to affiliate marketing, you always have to consider different things and also you have to consider understanding affiliate marketing. And also when we talk about affiliate marketing, we always mean earning income through product promotions. Product promotions, that means you're gonna be getting someone's product or some company's product and sells their product. Once you're selling those products elsewhere, you are promoting it as a product, and the money you're going to be getting from those products, you are allowed a certain percentage of commission you're going to be earning as a reward or as a compensation for your work you did for promoting those products. So as you are selling those products, you are promoting them, which means you are performing marketing activities while also targeting to earn the given amount of money in the affiliate marketing, which means you're going to be earning that commission as reward for promoting that product. Also, when you are doing affiliate marketing, you partner with brands for commissions. You're going to be partnering with a different kind of brands, maybe big ones, maybe smaller ones, depends on the kind of brand you're really liking and you're really loving. Maybe depends on the brand you're having audience for. Then also you're gonna be selling their own product. It depends on the brand you understand also, and it depends on which kind of brand you feel like you can be working with. Then you'll be partnering with it, you promote it, also to earn a commission. So in affiliate marketing, also it is important to understand every section of the affiliate marketing section, because it's gonna be helping you to know how you can be doing it. There are also key formula that you have to follow when it comes to affiliate marketing. First of all, you have to define your audience. After defining your audience, you have to identify who you want to reach for better targeting. For instance, let's say that I'm going to be doing an affiliate marketing and I have people, maybe I'm doing blogging sessions, or maybe I have a blog where I write my technology related articles. If you are writing technology related articles, that is the best way to be able to sell different technology services. For instance, you can be able to sell softwares, you can be able to sell other techie services, you can be able to sell other digital products, because those people who are reading your articles are mainly the ones who are in the field of technology, and also you can be getting more people who are interested in your services. The second thing is to set a clear goals. You have to establish specific targets to motivate and measure success. It is very important to establish which goal do you need to achieve, and also what is your motivation. The goal will always be working as your motivation, because once you're having a goal, maybe let's say you want to be generating up to 100 sales within 3 months, that will be your motivation, because you'll be working to achieve it. Goal is a very important thing, because also if you, for instance, let's say that you have a goal that by the end of this month I will be working with this the given brand, maybe Amazon. That's gonna be your big goal, and also this will be your motivation to keep also moving forward. The third thing in your formula is track your progress. Regularly, you have to evaluate the result to stay on the course and adapt to the strategy. It is very important to always track your progress to see if you are moving forward, to see if there are some backwards, and also to see if there are some challenges that you can really try to resolve as early before you get stuck in your affiliate marketing journey. So now also you need to understand that you have to choose your niche. in affiliate marketing, it is very important to identify who your niche are, and also you have to identify your passions and interests. Your niche, this means that your audience. Your niche, those are people who are going to be consuming your product or the services you're promoting. As I was saying before, if you are in the tech industry and also you are promoting your product or services to the people in the tech industry, your niche are those people, are those audience you are promoting this product and the service to. You have to identify your passions and interests. You have to identify where you are interested in and also where you are passionate about, which services you are interested in, or which services are you passionate about in, to ensure that you can be able to get the right niche, the right audience to target for your affiliate marketing product. Niche is very important because if you don't have a niche, you don't gonna be doing anything. You can be working hard, but you don't gonna get outcome because the people you are also promoting the product to and selling to also are not interested in your product. So it is a very important part of affiliate marketing and also it will be helping you. Once you understand this, also you have to go and sign up. So the affiliate marketing is gonna start with signing up. This is also the first step for the implementation of your affiliate marketing actions. For instance, if you're gonna be working with different brands or with different platform, you need to sign up to have an account on the given platform. That's the first thing. You have to choose a program. For instance, you go for the web hosting services. You have to choose which web hosting company are you gonna be working with. Then you select the program which aligns your interest and the goals as you have already selected the goals. After that, you have to fill out the application. It's the same. Also have to complete the required fees to create your affiliate account to the given affiliate program you have already selected. Then you receive an approval. You wait for the confirmation and allow the next steps to start promoting. Every affiliate marketing program will require you to create an account. And also once you create an account, they will review an account. Then once you get approval, also you can be able to get started promoting the services and also start making money by doing affiliate marketing. Not that not every affiliate marketing program will be able to accept you into the application. You need also to first read which requirements, and also you have to find solution. Finding solution is very important in affiliate marketing because this will be gonna be helping you to toward your success or toward your affiliate marketing success. What you need to do here is to identify customer needs. You have to identify what are your niches needs, to understand what you have to bring to them which is unique, because if you bring to them their needs, they are going to be consuming them. But if you bring the things they don't need, they don't consume them. Also, you have to research trending issues, stay updated on the current trends to spot potential solutions, and also you have to evaluate product effectiveness. You have to ensure that the product effectively addresses problems faced by customers. It's going to be helping you to sell more and also to promote your items more to other people. And also if they are interested, or if there's something is going to be solving the given problem, they are going to be also interested in it. And also once they get interested in, also the more sales you get, the more commission you're going to be getting from that. It is very important, of course, to understand this. And also it is very important to understand the success metrics you can be having. The key success metrics you might be having is that the key statistics for successful affiliate marketing strategy. You can have, for instance, annual income potential that you're aiming to, and also you can be having the conversion rate. So it is very important mostly to say the average success rate, to understand which average success rate do you have, and also to be able to evaluate the annual income potential. So for instance, if you're going to be getting 100 maybe 100 sales, or if you're going to be getting 100 affiliates who are signing up on your account, how many and what is the average of them, how are going to be getting also with the success rates, and also what is the potential earning rate from those affiliate marketing. After understanding the success metrics, also you have to avoid different mistakes that you can be able to do. The big mistakes that you can be able to do might affect your journey. Avoid these pitfalls for successful affiliate marketing outcomes. So if you're gonna be having affiliate marketing as the potential income opportunity, and also if you're gonna be counting success rate of affiliate, that's gonna be also a pitfall. You have to check which average success, which average success rate of the affiliates, and also what is the potential of the annual earning opportunity. As you know, when you're gonna be checking the average, you're gonna be taking in general and see the average of earnings either from those who have purchased the items and also those who are not purchased the items. But if you're gonna be looking for the success rate, you're expecting that everyone should purchase the goods, but this is not how it can be working. You have to ensure that you see the average to see if I'm receiving 1,000 people visiting my site, how many are be turning or converted into affiliates, and also how many are not. You don't need to see or to expect that all 1,000 people who are visiting my items should be purchasing my items or should be interested in purchasing my items. You have to always understand that. So once you've done that, you're gonna be also progressing well, and also you're gonna be starting your affiliate marketing journey well, and also you're gonna be growing. Also remember that success is not just about what you accomplish, but what you inspire others to do. This is the same way in affiliate marketing, because in affiliate marketing, you're inspiring other people to come and purchase the goods. You're inspiring other people to come and purchase the items, but you're not mainly accomplishing, maybe you're not buying the items yourself. What you do is to also promote, inspire others to purchase the given items or services which can be solving their own problems, serving their social needs, serving the customers' needs as well. Once you've done that, also you can proceed and get to the great affiliate marketing level. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, remember to subscribe to this channel TV, like this video, turn on the button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV.